Hey boys and girls, we are continuing to practice our adding, but this time we are only going to add ones. So I'm first going to show you the different strategies, and then I'm going to have you do a problem on your own. So here's an example, 36 plus 7. So one way to solve this is by drawing a picture. 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now there's 36. I'm going to add 7 more, and I'm going to put it over here, and I'm going to group it with my ones. And I'm going to do it in a nice, neat, organized way so that I can see if there's a group of 10. And I know if I have 6 here, I'll need 4 more to make 10. So I'm going to break up my 7. I'm going to break up my 7, 4 and 3, and you'll see why. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can see now why I broke up my 7 into 4 and 3, because this makes a new group of 10. So now I can count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, plus my 3 extra ones. And 40 and 3 make 43. So that's one way to do it, the picture way. Another way to solve this is the stacking way with the digits. So I'm going to break these up by the digits. 3 tens, 6 ones. This one's a little harder because we have to write tens and ones. And then I'm going to put the 7 under my ones because that's just ones. That's not 7 tens, so I won't put it over here. Here's my equal sign, and I'm just going to add down. So 6 and 7. How do I know what 6 and 7 is? Well, if I think in my head, 6 and 6 is a double. 6 and 6 would be 12. 7's one more, so I'd have 12 plus one more would be 13. So what this looks like in my head, what I'm thinking in my head is 6 plus 7. I can break up 7 into 6 and 1. 6 and 6 make 12, plus one more makes 13. That's a near double. Or I can do what I did in my picture and I could make a 10. Break this up into 4 and 3 because 6 and 4 make a 10. Then I can see 3 left over. 10 and 3 make 13. That gives me 13 ones. And then I just have 3 tens. I just bring those right down. But there's a problem here. I can't have 13 ones. So I need to break this up into 10 and 3. Now watch the value of each of these. What is 3 tens worth? 30. Plus 10 plus 3. So now you can see my 30 plus 13. 30 and 10 make 40, plus 3 more makes 43. So this is the stacking way with the digits. You just have to remember if you get too many ones over here, you can bring a group of 10 over to your tens. Another way you could have seen it is 110, move it over here. Now I have 4 tens and I have 3 leftover ones. So stacking way with digits. And here's the last way. This is the expanded form. So I'm going to break up 36 into 30 and 6. And I don't need to break up 7 because 7 is just a single digit. So what I would do is I would have 30 plus 6, and then I would just put my 7 right below my ones. And now my ones are together and my tens, which I don't have any. 6 and 7. I know 6 and 6 make 12, plus one more is 13. Bring my plus side down, and then I have 30. And it's the same thing. Break up my 13 into 10 and 3. 30 and 10 make 40, plus 3 more make 43. This is the stacking way, but it's with expanded form. So where you show me the value of the digits. Okay? Here is your problem. And you're going to go through and show me each way Your problem is 48 plus 8. Your first step is to draw the picture. Show me the picture and try to make a 10 if you can. So press pause now while you draw the picture to solve this problem and press play when you're ready. The picture would look like this: 10, 20, 30, 40, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's my 48. I have to add 8 more. And I'm going to change how this looks so I make sure that I add 8 more. And I know that if I fill in 2 more, because I had 48, I have 8 ones, I know if I got 2 more, that would be a 10. So I'm going to go like this with my 8. 1, 2, and then go down here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to count that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 dots from this number, and I have 8 X's from this number. Now I can see that I have a group of 10. Did you circle or put a box around that group of 10? Show me thumbs up if you did. All right, let's count by tens. Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Then I have to count my extra ones down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 50 and 6 make 56. Does your picture look like mine? Is it nice and neat and organized? Ones are grouped together. Did you make a 10? All right, here's your next one. This time, I want you to show me 48 by tens and ones, and then you're adding only ones. So go ahead and solve it. Press pause and solve it this way. "48 can be thought of as 4 tens, 8 ones, and then I'm adding another 8 ones. 8 and 8 is a double that I know. It's 16 ones, and I still have 4 tens. But uh-oh, I have too many ones. I shouldn't have more than 9 over here. So I could actually take this 10 and move it over here. Now I have 5 tens and I have 6 leftover ones. Same answer. 5 tens, 6 ones makes the answer 56. Did you get that or did you get 46? It's tricky when we have too many ones over here. Or you want to make sure that you move that 10 over to your tens place. The very last way for today is we should have, we're going to break this up into the values, and I want you to do the expanded form. So show me what this would look like. You only have ones. When you add down, press pause now, solve the problem on your own. All right, you should have had 40 plus 8 makes 48, plus 8 more, 8 and 8 makes 16, plus my 40, and I know that 16 is made up of 10 and 6. 40 and 10 make 50, plus 6 more make 56. So there's my answer. All right, so we've practiced 3 different ways today to add ones, and we practiced different ways to add tens. So what I want you to do now is your exit ticket and try to use one of these strategies to find the answer on your exit ticket.